Welcome back to Goblin's Trick Tips. This time it's a kind of part 2 to the last one, filling in those dastardly holes in your resin prints. We're going to be using resin for this one, and here's what you're going to need. Nitrile gloves, make sure they're nitrile or you're going to have a bad time. Goggles, stop that bad juice flicking into your eyeballs. Resin, you can use any resin you like. I use water washable. Some people don't like water washable, that's fine, I've had no problems with it. You're also going to need a UV flashlight and a little brush and a little pot to hold the resin. After very carefully pouring your resin, you're just going to want to dip your brush into the toxic liquid and brush it on. You can also use your thumb to smooth out the edges. Wearing gloves of course, don't be a nincompoop. And just keep adding it until you're happy with it. Smooth it out. You want to grab your UV flashlight and you're going to want to hold it there for, I don't know, maybe 30 seconds. This isn't to fully cure it, this is just so it's not dripping. You're then going to want to get yourself a glass of water or any kind of container that will hold water and your model. You're also going to want to make sure it's fully submerged. The reason we're doing this is because curing in water is much more thorough. Is thorough the right word? Thorough. And if you don't do this, that resin may not cure fully and it might be a bit sticky and still a bit toxic. I may do some trick tips on water curing in the future. But for now, cure your model. You only have to leave it in for half the time than you usually would cure for. And then you want to take it out, dry it off, and then sand it down. Now you might have done a good enough job that it doesn't even need sanding. That's a possibility. But if you didn't, don't worry, you can sand it, get it looking smooth, and then skadoosh, you're done. All that's left to do is to prime it. This will hide all these sanding marks, and it will end up looking a lot better than my wood filler tip. However, the trade-off is that you're handling toxic chemicals and it's a bit more effort. So it's up to you to decide which one you prefer. Anyway, that's about it. Thanks for watching my quick tips video, and I hope I'll see you next time.